That's a normal person.
Okay, so what's the goal for today, people?
I can solve absolute value equations.
Okay, I can solve absolute value equations. So, does anybody know what absolute value is?
Every single bit.
Okay, absolute value means the distance a number is from 0.
I'm not getting it. I've been putting away. Yeah, you haven't been doing it for 3 days. So, yeah, so now it's your turn. Next 3 days. Yeah, at least next 2. Then they can be.
Okay, do we all know what this looks like in a math problem?
Wait, can I? You're gonna have to fill out and wait because I'm doing some. Oh wait.
These bars on the outside, those are absolute value signs. So anytime you have an equation where there's the bars on it, that is absolute value. Okay, what's the absolute value of 5? 5.
No.
Why is the one highlighted?
What's the absolute value of -5? How far is -5 from 0? 5. Okay, so absolute value cannot be negative. Well, your answer, like once you finish, won't be negative. That's absolute value.
Like this is it?
Well, I mean, we're gonna solve equations, but kind of. Okay, so when we solve equations,
Cutting through this table.
there will always be 2 answers for absolute value equations. Okay, so we're always gonna have to set up 2 separate problems for an absolute value equation. It'll make a lot of sense once we start actually working these.
No, like, if everybody has their computers out for class. Will it make you use the computers?
It looks good.
That's not yellow. Do you have to highlight that in green? Or green, okay? No, that's.
Okay, so if I have the problem, the absolute value of x plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay, if I want to solve this, I just said both 5 and -5, the answer is 5, right? So if it's 12, it could be +12 or -12. So we have to set up 2 problems. So you have x plus 4 equals 12. And x plus 4 equals -12. Okay, so you should have a positive answer and a negative answer. This is where how we're always gonna get two numbers. Okay,
Wait, where did the number go?
the problem up here. Okay, so once you have these broken into two separate problems, solving them is stuff we've done before. Right? So how would I solve the first one? Subtract 4. And x equals, okay, then if I solve this other one, I have to subtract 4. X equals, what's negative 12 minus 4? Negative 16. So x equals 8 or x equals negative 16. There's two answers.
Well, then I gotta copy that whole second
Kayla, are you talking about these? That's the absolute value bars. Absolute value makes it the answer positive. Okay, are we ready for another one?
So there's two problems, right? Why is 12 like?
Because it can, the negative 12, the absolute value of negative 12 is positive 12. So, and the absolute value of positive 12 is still positive 12. So it can be either one.
So that was like every problem.
So our answer for our final answer would be
What?
or do you write it?
What?
Like if you were to tell someone the answer, would you say x equals 8 or x equals 16?
Yes, the answer is both x equals 8 or x equals negative 16. Okay. That's not right. New problem. Okay. How am I going to set this up?
2x equals 8 and then 2x equals negative.
Good. 2x equals 8. 2x equals negative 8. All you do is make it negative on the second problem. How am I going to solve this? Divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is x equals 4. Divide by 2 on this side. X equals negative 4. So 4 or negative 4.
I'm a little confused.
Oh,
Okay, why do I actually
Because you're smart.
What? Oh, I get it now. One's negative and one's not.
What?
Am I right? One's negative and not? Oh, that's pretty easy.
Well, why would you fight?
What? Oh, there's no surviving tail.
Yes, there is.
Oh, yeah.
A lot.
2 times x, the opposite would be divide by 2, right? Right. Okay, let's look at number 3. 2x minus 5 equals 11. So how am I going to set this up?
2x minus 5 equals 11. And then 2x minus negative 5. Wait.
Minus 5. That part stays the same.
Equals negative 11.
Equals negative 11. Okay, so we want to solve this.